secret investigation involving hidden cameras has uncovered alarming breaches of medical safety at a government-run hospital in Pakistan. The probe, led by the BBC, documented unsafe practices that may have exposed children to life-threatening infections, including HIV. Footage of over 32 hours inside THQ Hospital, Tonsa showed repeated violations of basic hygiene standards. Data compiled from provincial screening programs, private clinics, and league police records identified at least 331 children in Tonsa who tested HIV positive between November 2024 and October 2025. Further analysis suggested that most infections were unlikely to be transmitted from mothers. Of 97 families tested, only 4 mothers were HIV positive, pointing towards other sources of infection. The investigation found healthcare workers reusing syringes across multiple patients and drawing medication from shared multi-dose vials before administering it to different children. In one instance, a nurse was seen reusing a syringe containing leftover liquid, a serious violation of safety protocols. Staff were also observed administering injections without gloves and failing to properly dispose of medical waste. The case of 8-year-old Muhammad Amin, who died shortly after testing HIV positive, highlights the human cost. His mother said his final days were marked by severe fever and intense pain. Soon after his diagnosis, his sister Asma also tested positive. Their family believes both children may have contracted the virus through unsafe injections during routine treatment at the hospital. Despite earlier promises of a massive crackdown and the suspension of the hospital's medical superintendent in March 2025, the investigation found that unsafe practices continued at the hospital. However, the newly appointed superintendent questioned the authenticity of the footage, suggesting it may have been recorded before his tenure or fabricated, while insisting that the hospital remains safe.